What's up, guys? Hey, today I've got one simple trick to make your gimbal shots a little more epic. So gimbals are becoming a super common thing. They're super cheap, they're small. I personally use the Zhiyun crane, and now it's no longer enough just to have smooth shots to separate your footage from the rest or to make it cinematic. So I don't have my camera on here right now because I'm filming with it and I forgot my B cam, but I film with the Sony a7R III with a 16-35mm lens, and I use the Zhiyun crane. So the one common thing I see is that people are going to hold the gimbal just like this and walk and get their smooth shots, which is cool and looks great. But if you're looking to get a little more epic, here's one thing you can do, and it's super simple. Go from here to here and drop your gimbal down to the ground. Let me give you some examples. Well, all you're going to do to make your shot a little more epic is you're just going to drop it down to the ground here, like this. You're going to tilt your angle up pretty high. With this wide angle lens, I can get kind of a lot in the shot, which is cool. And I'm just going to walk in a straight line. So take that shot, slow it down, add some really cool music and cinematic bars on top and bottom, and you are good to go. So, out of breath from running with the gimbal, but those are some examples of how this can work for you, because what's really happening is by lowering yourself lower to the ground, you're getting more foreground in the shot, and so the movement appears to be more dramatic. So that's why dropping just a few feet, getting lower to the ground, it's going to make your shot stand out from the rest and look a little more epic. Whew, I'm out of breath. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.